a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a classic baby back ribs. We're gonna do the 3-2-1 method. Let's check it out. Yep, I know, that dance was amazing. Okay, first we're gonna flip this bad boy over. Grab yourself a nice sharp knife. We're gonna start slicing up the back of the silver skin. Next, we're gonna lay down a layer of kosher salt. Make sure you get all the edges and the corners. After this, we're gonna use a layer of black pepper. Okay, for our third layer, we're gonna throw on a blanket of garlic powder. As you can tell, I just kind of eyeball these seasonings as I'm throwing them on. This part is optional. I throw on this rub just to give it a little bit more of a red mahogany look after it's been on the smoker for a few hours. It really helps develop that bark. Pat that in real good, and we're gonna flip this over and we're gonna do the same steps for the top. All right, let's take these ribs and let's throw them on the Traeger. I'm gonna be running this pit at 275. Try to avoid checking on the ribs. You wanna just get a solid 3 hours straight smoke so we can develop that bark. Alright, this is also optional. I'm gonna spritz the ribs. I'd say about a shot of Jack Daniels, maybe 2 shots. We're gonna add a shot of apple cider vinegar. We're gonna dilute that down just a bit with some water. And we're gonna throw a bottom blanket, some butter. Oh yeah, baby. We're gonna add a layer of some brown sugar. Some good old nice little honey. Oh yeah. Throw down some showers of some Spritz. Let's go grab the ribs. Now that's 3 hours straight without checking it. Okay, for this top layer, I'm gonna do the exact same method as I did for the bottom. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, just don't stop, do I? All right, once these ribs are covered with this nice little delicious goodness, we're gonna go ahead and tightly wrap this. You want to start by taking the edges and folding them over, flipping that bottom part over, and you want to grab this rib and blanket it nice and tight, kind of like you're swaddling a baby. Now when we place these ribs back onto the Traeger, you want to put them meat side down and the bone side up. All right, let's take it to the Traeger. This is gonna go on for 2 hours straight. All right, let's check it out. This part's also optional. You can throw barbecue sauce on, or you don't have to. You can maybe just spritz again. Just kind of moisten up those ribs before we throw it back on the pit. If you are using barbecue sauce, you want to make sure you douse every little inch of these ribs. Yup, you want to paint them up like Bob Ross. No mistakes here, just happy mistakes. Happy accidents, yeah, that's what he says. Oh yeah, baby. All right, let's throw it back on. So for this, what I'm doing here, I let it smoke another hour. You can honestly pull them off after 30 minutes. You can go 30, 45 minutes and they'll be good. But I wanted to go the full hour to show the full 3-2-1 method. As you can see, these are fall off the bone. You cannot get any more tender than this is right here. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please please leave a like or leave a comment, like, subscribe, share this with your friends. Honestly, this is pretty hard to mess up. I want you to try it when you get your Traeger, when you get your Pit Boss. This should be one of the first things you try. You will impress your significant other or your friends. I'm telling you, this is fall off the bone ribs. Hard to mess up. Thank you again.